Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In our last video, we mastered the manual mechanics of building dark mode SaaS layouts step by step from scratch. We locked in the precise physics of bento grids and 0.5 pixel glass-morphic containers. But today, we are completely unlocking the future of UI design with Figma AI. There's a huge misconception right now that AI is here to replace designers. The truth? AI isn't going to take your job, but a designer using AI to build 4 times faster, then you definitely will. Today, we aren't just letting AI make lazy guesses, we are taking full control. I'm going to show you how to use Figma's native AI capabilities to generate layout wireframes, auto-rename messy layers, populate realistic dynamic content, and automate component variations, all while keeping your design system tight and pixel perfect. Let's jump straight into the screen. First, open your canvas and activate the Figma AI prompt interface using Command+K or clicking the AI Spark icon in your toolbar. Instead of typing something vague like "make a mobile app," you need to give the AI context, structure, and intent, just like writing a brief for a junior designer. Watch my screen. We are prompting Figma AI with generate a dark mode mobile banking dashboard with a top user balance card, an interactive quick actions row, and a recent transaction list using modern auto layout. Hit generate. In seconds, Figma AI builds out a multi-frame starting structure. But notice what it did right. It didn't just give us a flat image, it gave us fully editable, native Figma frames configured with real auto layout rules. This is your foundation. Instead of spending 45 minutes drawing basic rectangles and text boxes, AI gives you a 60% jumpstart on your workflow. Now let's fix the biggest nightmare every designer faces: messy layers and fake placeholder text. Normally, you'd waste time copying and pasting fake names, dates, and account numbers, leaving you with layers named Frame1204 or Group 88. Figma AI fixes this instantly. Highlight your transaction list, open the AI menu, and select Populate with Realistic Data. Watch the AI scan the context of the app and automatically fill in realistic merchant names like Apple Store or Uber, complete with localized currency values and clean timestamps. Next, select your entire frame and run Rename Layers. Figma AI analyzes the structure and instantly cleans up your layer tree, converting random frames into clear semantic names like hero_card, navigation_sidebar, and transaction_row. This single feature saves hours of tedious cleanup when handoffs happen with developers. Here is where the magic happens. AI gives you the raw structure, but you supply the taste. We are taking this AI-generated base and instantly applying our high-end design tokens. We select our containers, swap out the flat default colors for our signature hash 0, D0D0D charcoal background, apply our 0.5 pixel glass strokes, and inject our signature electric cyan volumetric light leaks behind the hero balance card. We can also use Figma AI's visual search to instantly find matching 3D icons across our entire asset library without leaving the canvas. This is the modern AI design workflow. AI handles the repetitive setup, data populating, and layer architecture, while you focus on visual refinement, user psychology, and polish. Download my Figma AI prompt cheat sheet and component starter kit in the description below to speed up your builds today. Don't forget to subscribe to Design with Manny for more high-end builds. I'm Imran Kazir. Keep designing, and I'll see you in the next one.